Hi, Professor Chen. So this is for you to demonstrate our new question set for your review sections. So right now you can see I have two screens represent two students to cooperate. So I didn't change anything on the login. So let's sign in. And uh, I also did not change this introduction page. Let's cooperate. Uh, this time we will have four guiding questions before the physics question for students to teach them how to use or what they need to expect in the system. So let's look at these examples. So the first guiding question is pretty straightforward. So we give each student a number. On the left, you can see the student have a 4, and on the left, the student have a 7, and it's asked for the sum. So what we will assume is student would say something like, "Hi, I got a 4. What is your number?" And probably the other student will say, "I got 7. So I guess the answer should be 11. Then, then if they answer correctly, we will give them some feedback, and if they answer incorrectly, we will also give them some feedback here. And they will have 3 attempts for each question. The next question, we want each student to enter a number, and the sum should be 27. So they need to discuss and decide which number they want to enter. For example, if one student wants to enter 12, he can say I enter 12. Can you do 15? Probably say yes. Then if the 12th student submit the answer, the student will see please wait for your collaborator, and the other student will see your collaborator request to check answer at step 3. Then if it's right, we will give them some feedback. If it isn't, there is some other feedback here. I guess you can pause and look at the wording. I will also send you the Google file. We work on the wording, so you can change it if you want. For the third question, we want student to choose a combination which orders all the samples. So for this question, there is multiple ways. Four combinations could be correct. You can A or D, B or C are the correct combination. So if one student chooses A, the other student can choose D to make it right. And if he didn't, then it's incorrect. And you can see even the left students submit A both time. The answer is determined by the combination of their submitted answer. So the reason for this question is we want students to coordinate after they read the question. So they will make a plan and do it. And the next question is more similar to the real requesting task. So we want students to solve the area of the rectangle, and each of them can request one hint. So the easiest way is to select one narrow side and a long side. Then they will have the answer. For example, I choose length of AB, and I ask the other student to choose BC. Then the answer should be 12. If they choose a combination, AB and BD can also answer the question, but they need a little bit more work to solve the question. And if one student choose A, B, and one student choose C, D, they can reselect hint. After they submit the question, they can reselect hint. Let's say I choose AD this time, and I can ask can AD equals 4, can you request CD? Then the other student choose CD says CD equals 3. Then they can have the right answer. The next one is a requesting the version for the energy problem. I did not change anything. This was supposed to do on Wednesday sections and no student did it, so I think we can keep it. Yeah. And for this question, if you use ordered attempt, there is a sure solution for this question. So student will know the answer. If you want to change the feedback wording, please just tell us and I can do it. And that's all the questions. I suppose it will take 20 minutes or less, hopefully, to answer those questions. The first 4 guiding question is pretty easy and should be fast. And I think the energy problem, last time we saw a very good pair. They took nearly 12 minutes to solve a choreo part and an individual part. So I guess less than around 20 minutes should be enough. And then we have 3 satisfaction questions. So that's it. So I will also share the file we work with you. Please just tell us, is there anything you want to change? Okay, thank you.